In this video, I am going to talk about the Aqua Protocol. I'm going to give you an important update about Aqua Protocol, and I am going to explain the difference between the Aqua Protocol and the Gleam. There is two different companies or projects here. All right, and I am going to show you how you can farm the Gleam Airdrop. You understand? So the Aqua Protocol has ended, but the Gleam is still on process or is still on. All right, so if you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe, give me a like, join my Telegram channel, follow me on X, and also join my WhatsApp channel. All right, let's get into it. Alright, so now this is a message from the Aqua Protocol team, and this sets the record straight. I'm going to read everything, or maybe I'm just going to focus on the key point. Alright, so the first of all, we are excited to announce we are not going to talk about that. So they have changed the URL of their bot, and it has nothing to do with new project. I have realized people are talking about, hey, are they bringing a new project? No, it's the same project. Now this Aqua Protocol team are now calculating our airdrop. Okay, so the number of airdrop that you had is going to be calculated into their token. So their token is what they are going to list, and that is what we are going to convert into money. You understand? So they are doing the calculation. All right, so that is it. If you are watching my screen right now, you can see I have my phone at the right side, or maybe the left to you. All right, you can see my phone is on the screen, right? And you can see that this is the Aqua Protocol bot. All right, and in the Aqua Protocol, this is the point I had, because I didn't join early and I couldn't gather a lot, so I had like 1 million of the coins. So they are now calculating that point, okay, into their Aqua tokens. You understand? Now they are having partnership with the Gleam project, and you know that Gleam is just like Zilly and Gas. It is where you can perform campaigns, okay, to earn crypto. You understand? And they own this Gleam project. You understand? So they are having partnership, and the Gleam helped the Aqua Protocol to succeed in their project. So they are also promoting Aqua Protocol on their bot. So Gleam and Aqua Protocol are two different projects. You understand? So that is it. So this is also all Aqua points you are farmed in Aqua Protocol will remain in this bot. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, my Aqua point is there, and they are calculating it. All right, so we keep all promises. We know we are currently calculating the result, and this process will take at least a week, and we are seeing this on 23rd of June. So approximately like 30th of June, they should finish with the calculation, and we should see what we have gotten for this airdrop or for this project. You understand? Whatever you mine will be calculated into the Aqua tokens. So wait up to a week. All right, so while you wait, we have an interesting offer for you. In our bot, there is a link to another bot from the Gleam team with their quest. You understand? So they are saying that now in their bot, so as you can see on the screen, just beneath it, you can see that, just check this, you can see that we have the Gleam point. Okay, and I did a task in the Aqua Protocol about Gleam. That is why I have 250 Gleam. And when you click on claim point and continue journey, it will take you to the Gleam bot. That is where you can claim your Gleam point. You understand? That means a different project. So it's important, we are not affiliated with a Gleam bot. Okay, so they are not two company owned by one CEO or like partners. Okay, they are not partners. You understand? Aqua Protocol is a project on its own, and Gleam is also a project on its own. So if you have any problem, go to Gleam, don't come to Aqua Protocol. So that's exactly what they have set it straight. And when you write it, they said All Gleam points belong to the Gleam team, and any questions about them should be directed to the Gleam team. They helped us launch our farming in the Aqua Protocol, and now they have their own bots. So the Gleam team helped the Aqua Protocol team to start their farming, and their farming has ended and Gleam has started theirs. So that is the news I have for you. That is the update I have for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can farm the Gleam. All right, so all you have to do is open your Aqua Protocol. All right, so all you have to do is just click on the claim point and continue. All right, so you can see that the Gleam has opened. I'm going to leave the link of Gleam at the description down below. Make sure you join this project. It is a very great project. All right, then click next, then click next again, click start exploring, and we have been taken to the Gleam Bot. All right, Gleam is different from Aqua Protocol, so that is it. So your Gleam's balance is 2000. Okay, so I have a balance of 2000 Gleam, and I don't know whether it's part of the one I had in the Aqua Protocol. All right, so it says your energy, so I'm just going to click on claim one energy, and I have 9 out of 10 energy, so I can claim this again every 3 hours. Okay, now we can connect our Ton wallet, and Gleam is a reputable company, so connecting your Ton wallet is not a problem, but I'll make a special video connecting the Ton wallet to the Gleam project. All right, so you can see start your project. So when you connect your Ton wallet, you are going to get 1000 of the Gleam points, but I won't do that. I'll do that in the next video. All right, so you can see we have the Gleam quest. That is what we are going to do right now. So start farming from any project that you like. So I'm just going to click on that and click on start. Okay, so start farming from any project that you like. I don't know what project, so I'm going to click on check completion, and let's see. So it looks like you haven't completed this quest. Try again. What project? I think there are other projects over here. Maybe that's what they are talking about. Okay, so this is it. All project. Okay, so this is the project they are talking about. So you have to join any of the projects. Okay, if we join any of the project, we can go and check that. So let's say I want to join the XYZ bookmaker. So I'm going to just click on that, and this is Aqua Pro. Actually, bookmaker is not a bookmaker. Yes, that's right. You can bet here and you can win here, but there's no house bookmaker or whatever. So this is the quest. So all we have to do is we have to just follow join their Telegram channel. So start, so open quest link. All right, so join, come back to the app, check completion. So now it's done. Click claim. Now that it's done, that's why it's faint. Okay, so you can see that we are now farming over here. You understand? It's farming. Okay, it's farming some Gleam points. So because we have done one quest in this project, it has started farming. So let's follow them on X. So start, open quest link. I'm going to follow them on X, back to the app, click on check completion. All right, I'm going to click claim. All right, done with that one again. So you join the Discord. I want to complete this particular project and see if we can go and claim that 1000 Gleam point. So join the Discord, start, open quest link. I'll be taken to the Discord app. So if you are into crypto, there are 3 apps that you don't have to joke with it: X, which is Twitter, Discord, and Telegram. So click on verify. So I accept invite. So things to do. So welcome to things to do. So I'm going to just bring it down. I'm going to just click on this, scroll down, check this, click complete, start verification. It says that verify yourself to gain, please select Panda. So click on that, and we know where is Panda. Panda is always white and black. This is the option 3. So verified successful. So let's go to the app, back to Gleam, click on check completion. I don't know whether this is going to work because there's no option for us to connect our wallet. Okay, our Discord account, that's what I meant. So click claim, it's done. All right, so now play via X point makeup bot. So I'm going to click on that start bot. Okay, so I think it's also a mining bot, so I'm going to click open quest link, and okay, it's a mining bot where you can farm XYZ. So I'll make a special video on that. I'll make a research on this and make a special video on that. As long as I have partnership with Gleam, then I think it's not something new. So I'm going to click. So as long as we have come here, started the bot, let's go back, check completion, claim. All right, so now let's visit their website. Start, open quest link. So this is their website. Oh, interesting. So looking at the website, you can see that this is not a small project. So that means you can farm also on their website. Okay, so basically it's a betting company, you understand, where they are doing yeah, so you can see matches, slips, match slips over here. So it's basically a betting company. All right, so let's go back. I'll make a special video on this. I'll make a research and make special video on this. So check completion, click claim. All right, so that is it. So we are done with that. Now I have just understood exactly what Gleam means. Okay, so now we are going to farm project inside Gleam. So that means we will be farming Gleam, and at the same time we are going to farm other projects. So if you check this section, you can see that XYZ end, that is what I've gotten because of the quest that I did. I got 90 XYZ, you understand point. All right, and at the same time I am farming Gleam inside this particular project, you understand. So that is it. So I'm done with this. So this is farming, then I have to come back and come and claim. Okay, so every day I can farm like 432, okay, of the Gleam point. So every day, every 24 hours I have to come here and come and claim my point. All right, so that is it. So let's go back. We are done with this project. Let's go back. So we have started one project, okay, which is the XYZ bookmaker. So scroll down, okay, and let's claim our first, okay, which is this, start farming from any project you like. So just click on that and click on check completion and click claim, and you can see that you have claimed 100 Gleam. Okay, so make sure you join all those projects. Okay, I did example with one project for you. Make sure you join. Okay, we are here purposely for Gleam, you understand. So you can see you are a hero. You have reached the maximum farming speed. Start tuned for new quest. So when you do one particular task in that particular project, your mining speed is different. When you do all the task, your mining speed is going to what? Increase, you understand. So you have the Jeton games. I think I'm on this project already, and this is Aqua Protocol. We already started. Let me click on all project and let's see. So there are 4 projects over here and Soulstone. All right, so you can do all those projects. All right, so I have already, let me click on the Aqua Protocol and let's see, because this video is basically for Aqua Protocol and the Gleam, right? So that is it. So this is it. So I'm going to click on start, join their Telegram channel. So open. So I already have it back. So check completion. So you'll be getting Aqua Protocol points, and I think this is also going to be added to what you have gathered already in the Aqua Protocol bot. Okay, so claim. So before I start, you can see that now the farming has started, and you can see that each day I can get 86.4 of the Gleam point, okay, every 24 hours, you understand. The more tasks I do, the more I'm going to get more Gleam per day. And they are saying I've gotten 10 aqua, so I don't know whether it is the point or it is the token itself. So I don't know. So unless they do the calculation and we see. All right, so when I scroll down here, you can see that the aqua end is 10 over here and the quest is 8. I've done 1 out of 8, and this is the total participant. That means a lot of people doesn't really know. You understand? So I will continue to do this particular task because this video is for Gleam and Aqua Protocol. So what you are going to do is you are going to join the founders Aqua's founders Telegram channel. So start, open quest link, join, going back, check completion. Okay, claim. So I have another 10 of the Aqua. I don't know whether it's the point or the token itself. So I'm going to join the Russian channel of the founder. Start, quest. I'm not a Russian, I don't know. Later I'm going to unfollow. Back, check completion, claim. Done. Let's follow them on X. Start. Okay, it say you ran out of energy, get one new energy every 3 hours, otherwise you can refill any. Oh okay, right, your energy balance right now. So you are going to pay 99 ton for you to get energy filled. All right, so we cannot continue the task because we don't have energy. So we are going back here to the Gleam over here, and you can see that the energy has now gotten to 0. You understand? So every 3 hours I can come here to claim more energy to do more task. You understand? So 1 energy is equal to 1 particular task in any project. So we are going to do that. So I am not going to pay a penny. All right, so I'll wait for 3 hours and come and claim. All right, so thank you for watching this wonderful video. Please, if you are new to Gleam and Aqua Protocol, I'll leave the link at the description down below. All right, so follow me on X, join my Telegram channel, and also join my WhatsApp channel. All right, thank you. Subscribe, leave a comment, and also like this video. Let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.